guys, as I promised, I'll show you my latest jewelry creations and also some other accessories, more likely sweets for BJD dolls. The jewelry collection, there is some theme to it. People who follow me on Instagram, they probably seen my Nautical collection. Also made some more kind of Boho style or ethnic collection as well. Anyway, I'll show you everything, and I'll start with something which I did make, which is I just want to share with you this experience. So these are earrings, but look what they like. They're like a little bag with the goldfish inside, so you can just disconnect the hook, which is disconnected itself now, which is handy, and it becomes a little goldfish bag, and it's pretty good for MSD girls. So these two, the soul dolls, they're perfect for them. And you got two. I will link these earrings if you're interested in the description bar. And the second one is, I think you might seen this prop in one of my previous videos, and this is the pen. So quite handy. And again, just a matter of disconnecting this keychain, and this is more of SD size because it's too big for MSDs. So yeah, that was just introduction into this video, and I hope these little props were quite cool. Okay, so I've got two tabs of jewelry I made, so I'll better crack on with that. The reason I put the girls in there because I will show you how this looks on them. Well, some of it, not everything. So I want to start with these seashell necklaces, and the seashell on the back has got like a silver coating, and the front has got a little pearl, and it looks really good on the girls. The necklace, and they all got lobster clasps. I found it the smallest possible ones, and it's the same one but purple. And there is another one similar, but this time with the beads, and so this nautical connection stud. So similar one with some beads, and this actually a real, oh gosh, what's the name of this stone? It's obviously quite small, and it's a regular form, but there's a name for the stone. It's a real one. I forgot the name, gosh. So that's another one. It's a dolphin, and another nautical. They will suit MSDs or SDs. They kind of both will be fine. So, and this is more like a mother of pearls, shell type. This is a bracelet, and that's this is MSD though. It's gonna look quite good on a blue, and the bracelet, not bad. So again, similar one, blue one, you can combine with the bracelet. Now it's a more greeny one. I really enjoy these little shells with the pearl. And again, the same one. This is umbrella, and this is again the bracelet for this mother of pearls, and again nautical, like a mermaidy type bracelet. They're on a stretchy cord. Another one like that. Here's another one. This is maybe for SD, bit bigger beads this time. Gonna be too big for her, look. It's a bit chunky. Yeah, it's too chunky for his Dismal. And this is MSD. Don't know if you can see it properly, actually, a bit far away. And this again can be both SD or MSD. The last one, Nautical. I know they maybe look similar, but actually they're different. So yeah, that was the Nautical collection. Let me just disconnect this lady. And I believe Kim, my dolly bud, she got a channel, Kim's Dolls on YouTube. She sent me these crosses. So I made them into, some of them long, so for the row, oh, some of them got tangled up. Anyway, it's tangled up chain here, I'll detangle it later. So that's a bit long cross. It's more of a, for the robe, I guess, and the shorter one and the short again. I've got this vegan one, so more kind of steampunk or witches or ethnic, whatever you want to call it. This is a long chain. This is either for some special outfit or for SDs. This is little elephant in here, like Indian necklace. Doesn't fit the outfit, that's the thing. Another one. And this with a pentagram. Bit longer one. They can be combined quite nicely together. So what I did before, I think one of my pictures I combined two. So you get more like thicker look. This is a bracelet. Another bracelet like that. And another elephant. I think I had two elephants. Oh yeah, they're identical. This quite heavy. I don't know what to name it really. It's for a nice dress. Looks quite nice actually on her. This is for SDs more because it's too big for them. So that's the similar to this one. Slightly longer chain is for SDs. There's MSD. Oops. And similar again. Okay, so that's, we've got this one, like again, this is a male obviously, and I did make the fastening for it. What I did, I just make a hoop and just slides in like that. Still holds well. I can't see what I'm doing, but there you go. This is for SD size boys, I would say, or for the Vito boys, soldier. I've got similar one with Vito boys, a bit shorter though, because it's a bit long. And then we've got some colorful bracelet. This is more SD size bracelet with a lion. Difficult to say what I was trying to achieve with that. So there's another necklace. Can be anything, I guess. Let's take this down. Okay, this is the long one, rainbow beads, and it's supposed to be like that. So this is for SD size. So you know, sometimes you have like a long chain, then you twist it. Not chain, the beads, sorry. So it's like a beaded necklace, a long one. And this is a double necklace. So it's one string, there's a double in here. It's pastel color. It's perfect for like a pastel outfit. This is a bit more chunky for SD. Still not sure what kind of outfit you need to have to wear that, but oh, okay, there's another one like this, a bit shorter. So a bit shorter, and it has got the clasp on the back. I wasn't sure what I was planning to do with that either. It's the connector, bead connector. I straightened it. So I'm supposed to put some gemstone on here, but I don't remember. But this hasn't been finished, I think. This is more like human bracelet, but it's supposed to be a necklace for the SD size doll. And this is very pastel color necklace. Something like that. Then necklace with a bit with drops, drop crystals. Another cute one with the gold star in the middle. It's plastic though. This is another combination of different things. It's more for medieval outfit, I would say, or something more darker. I don't know what I was doing. This one is just a bit awkward. Gothic, no? This is actually a coral, obviously the bits and bobs, but it's made from real necklace. I just obviously reduced it to the doll size. It's a double one again. It's for SD size doll because it's quite chunky. I'm saying that, well, it depends really on the clothes they wear, but yeah, it's a bit too big though. And also, sorry, I forgot to show, this was experimental piece. It's made from wire and the beads. And all of these more, it's like diadema or tiara. That's all my latest creations are. And I'll show you one by one. It's called, the technique called Decoden. And though I didn't use the Decoden gel, I used just ordinary dry clay, and obviously I had some things to put in it, some from my old stuff. I'm used to make miniatures from polymer clay, and I had a lot of things left. Anyway, so that's sundae or ice cream, whatever you want to call it. This obviously handmade by me. It's like a little cookie. I bought some spoons with a hole on the end and put some beads in it. So I made this marshmallow. I made this from clay. And the toppings, this 3D pearl effect. It's 3D kind of paper paint, but obviously when it's dries out, it dries and like 3D raised a little bit, so I've got different colors. And this, the clay I used, it's Daiso Japanese clay. It's the MSD size. She'll be happy to have it, I'm sure. And next one is the containers I had donkeys years ago, and I bought them from Aliexpress as well. Just use another cookie and this paper clay, like I said, and the paper clay, the soft clay on the bottom as well, and the cookie I made from polymer clay. So another one, so it's like an ice cream on the bottom. Again, it's a clay, and all these colorful strokes inside, it's again this 3D paint. Yeah, food, glorious food. I love this little balls in the bottom. These are used in nail art and they're polystyrene, and I decorate things with it, as you can see. So this little tiny candy, like hard candy, actually I made it from clay. I rolled it so thin. You obviously make you create a cane from polymer clay and you roll it to the point when it's so tiny, and then you cut it and you get all the small hard candy pieces. This was some glitter I used as well, all sorts. Hasn't got no spoon because I think I ran out of spoons. And this one got Mickey in here, kind of Mickey shape. And this gingerbread man, they're from different type of air dry clay I made. Yeah, so it's more like lemony type. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you got any questions, please ask. I'm more than happy to share how I make things like this. And see you later. Bye.